Hi everyone! So I'm going to share a new tool or a different tool that I'm going to use for my final presentation. It's called Screencast-O-Matic, and this is what it looks like, and it's very easy to use. You just download or you just log on to screencast-o-matic.com, and then here is the video, and you hit video and you can choose to either have yourself being projected or no webcam. So I did this for my rough draft. I used Screencast-O-Matic, and then I uploaded my Google slides onto Nearpod. So Nearpod is a different tool that could be used for teams or in educational settings, and it's very collaborative, so you can upload slides directly from Google using an add-on extension. You can add on from other presentations as well, but it's very compatible with Google, and then you can present and create different presentation using the Google Slides and adding on. So I'm going to just show you an example, not of my rough draft, but of some of the other tools that I mentioned in my description. So if you want to use Nearpod, you would hit the create, and then it would allow you to create a slide. And once you have a slide presentation, you have options to either do live participation with the participants with Zoom, or live participation, or even have it be student-paced, so you could share it and have them do it at their own pace. So if you were going to do it in live participation mode, where you want students or team members to participate in a meeting, you would hit live participation, and then you will have this code, and so you would ask the participants to go to nearpod.com and type in this code where it says join code. And I don't need to do that. So, and there are other ways you can upload it through. You can also send it through email. You could send it through sharing. You could link it. You could upload it to Google Classroom or even Microsoft Teams. So this is what it looks like once you open it. This is actually a lesson for my graduate class, but I want to show you one of the features that's really cool. So I uploaded these slides directly from Google, but then there's a collaborative piece where I ask students to answer questions. So I'll just take you right over. So these are my slides, and then they come to, there's a video that you can upload as well, and the owner of the document, which is in this case the teacher, can decide if they want to play it for the whole group or have students watch it at their own pace. And then you can also have, this is what I wanted to show you, it's a collaborative board. So you can have people ask a question. So here I had my students read an article, and they could just click right on the article and open up in a new tab on their screen, and then they read the article, and then they had to share a question or share an answer. So they type in here, and it's 250 characters, kind of like a tweet, and then they post their answers. And so you can see everybody's answers on this pegboard, and that's a really great way to collaborate and even get data. We use this at my school for our planning meetings or our staff meetings, and sometimes we have to write our opinions about things, and it can be anonymous, or it could have your name attached to it as well. And then you can even go through and like other people's responses. So there are different formats. You can change the look of the board. Here I had 4 different articles that my students were reading, and they had to use 4 different they had 4 different backgrounds. The other great thing that you can do is you can upload documents, and you could ask questions and have answers will show up here, and also the level of participation. So here they can upload, you can upload a document, and they can edit on the document as well. And so that's another feature that you can do on Nearpod. So that is Nearpod. I wanted to just give you a little overview of it in case you are not familiar. Oh, the other quick thing you can do is you can upload external web content, so I uploaded a website that I made here for them to look at. There's all kinds of really cool things that you can do on Nearpod. So that's what I think I'm going to do for my final presentation for this class. I love Nearpod. I'm still kind of new to it, so I thought this would be a good place to test the waters a little bit more and become an expert in it myself. And plus, because I'm a Google girl, I can use Google with these new tools. And then I uploaded everything to YouTube. All right, bye.